Hello guys, welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can actually make money right here on this platform called Snapchat with the Snapchat Spotlight. And I'm also going to be showing you how to become eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight and make money online. So guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you can make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, the use of AI tools, and any other way to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that can actually help you out right here. Also guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and also make sure guys that your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So guys, if you don't know what the Snapchat Spotlight is all about, Snapchat Spotlight guys is actually a very cool way which people go on to uploading videos right there on Snapchat. As you can see, Spotlight is the easiest way to discover the world of Snapchat in one place and see perspective from across our community. So guys, it's kind of videos that are actually similar to videos on TikTok right here. As you can see, these are kind of TikTok related videos right now. It's also kind of YouTube Shorts videos right here. As you can see, they are actually of the same sizes right now, and also Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and other kinds of videos right there that are actually in the portrait version. So these are actually Snapchat videos are actually similar kind of videos to that right there. So they're actually of the same sizes right now, and you can see how cool such videos actually are. And Snapchat actually goes on to paying initially people on the Spotlight about a lot of money when utilizing this particular platform initially once they launch in the year 2020. So as of that time, a person can get about a million views right there on their videos, and they could go on to making about $20,000 right there on Snapchat. But right now guys, they've actually gone on to changing how things actually works on Snapchat right here, and I'm going to show you how they actually how much they actually pay right now for the regular Snapchat videos right there, or Snapchat Spotlight. So guys, if you want to know how to get eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight right here, you just want to take a look at this particular article right here, which was written by Snapchat on the eligibility of Snapchat Spotlight. You can see right here that you actually need to get an account created and your account must be at least 1 month old right there. You actually need to go on to setting your profile to the public. You must actually have a minimum of 1,000 followers to actually get eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight. That's not actually quite difficult to get, because once you actually do start getting videos that are going viral, you actually make that in a short period of time. You can actually do see right here that you need to receive a minimum of 1,000 views in a calendar month. So just a single video that can go viral will actually help you get this particular amount of views. So that's not quite difficult to actually achieve right now. You also need to go on to posting at least 10 times on 10 different days in a calendar month right here. So guys, and at least 5 of such posts must actually use a Snapchat creative tool, anyone of camera, editing, or music. So guys, this is quite much more reasonable because Snapchat are actually trying to promote their content or their tools right there. So which is why you must actually use one of their tools in at least 5 of your posts every single month to actually get eligible for the Snapchat program right there, which is the Snapchat Spotlight program. So that's actually quite cool right now. So you want to just simply stick on with that, and to actually make more money, it is quite much advisable that you actually do go on to uploading every single day. But if you can't upload every single day, make sure you do or go on to uploading at least 15 times a month right there. So if you do that right there, you can actually do get eligible right here, and your content must actually be original, which is created by you. So you can go on to creating original content yourself and uploading right there on Snapchat as a Snapchat right here Spotlight right here. But guys, if you can't get original one, what most people actually go on to doing is that they go on to getting videos from TikTok right here, or platforms like YouTube and other platforms to go on to re-uploading on Snapchat right there. But 99% of the time, Snapchat actually do finds out, and they actually do go on to shadow blocking you right now. So which is why you want to use a different method right there. You can get videos from platforms like YouTube and TikTok right there, but you want to just simply go on to editing that video, make it quite unique right there, and adding some cool features right there. You may want to just simply go on to adding some features right there, like the camera editing, or maybe some filters right there, maybe add in different voiceover or a different background music, or changing cool stuff right there, add some cool captions, and you can then go on to uploading that on the Snapchat and Spotlight and utilizing that to get lots of traffic and engagement. And you can also be eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight with that particular strategy right now. So moving on to the next one right here, you must actually reside in or post snaps from an eligible country. And to get to know the eligible country, you can actually take a look at this right here. You can pause the video and look at the countries eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight program right here. So these are actually the countries eligible for that right now. And guys, if your country is not among these right here, you don't need to worry right there, because you can actually go on to utilizing VPNs to do this right now. That is to go on to uploading videos from such countries right there. You can utilize VPNs, but the problem is getting an account created from such platforms or from some such countries right there, because you can actually go in contact with somebody that is actually in such countries to help you create an account right there for the Snapchat and give you that account. But the problem there is that you actually need to be getting paid from that particular country right now, which is why you may be in need of a middleman right there. That is a middleman that will actually be getting the payment and be sending to you. So you'll be in need of a middleman for this particular stuff right there if your country is not actually enlisted among these right now. So moving on to the next right here, you can see that you must actually successfully set up a payment account. You must actually comply with Snapchat community guidelines, content guidelines, Spotlight guidelines, terms of service, and a lot more right here for the Snapchat and Spotlight program right here. But one thing that is actually quite different from the Snapchat Spotlight is that you actually go on to getting a maximum amount of money you can earn a month right there on Snapchat, which is about $1,000 right now. So right now you go on to getting a maximum amount of money, which is $1,000. So regardless of the views, maybe someone can go on to getting about 50 million views a month, and it's also going to earn the same amount of someone getting about 2 million views a month right there. So they're going to be earning the same amount, which is actually not quite fair, but that's how it works right here. And that's not the same way it works with other platforms like TikTok, creativity program, or YouTube right there, where they actually go on to getting you paid by the amount of views which you actually do get. And guys, with Snapchat right here, this is kind of like a lock system right there, because not everyone that actually is eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight is actually going to get paid. So they just go on to paying some few people among that right there. So it's just like going to work for the every month, every day in the month, and actually not going on to some people not going on to getting paid for that particular month right there. So that's not quite fair, but that's the way this actually works right here. So you can actually see that you do know more details about the Snapchat Spotlight program, how to get some videos on the Snapchat Spotlight program, and actually go on to getting a lot of engagement and making some cool money by getting videos from other platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and School, and actually go on to editing that, make that unique, and upload on Snapchat right here. You can also go on to know, as you can see, you also know more about the eligibility program right there, and these are actually quite cool. So guys, if the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video? You want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.